Hi, this is Dr. Caruso, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a document to Google Drive to share it with others. And I think that in this example, I will use the template for the instructional design project so that you will see how you can collaborate with your colleagues. So the first thing you will need to do is to log in to Newport. Then you want to go to Desire to Learn in order to download the template. So I'm going to go to our course shell, which is HRD 300. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the course content browser so that I can locate the assignment templates folder. And here I see there is one for the instructional design written report. That is the one that I want. So the first step is to download it from Desire to Learn so that you can then upload it to Google Drive. So here I can see it's in the lower left-hand corner. I'm going to enable editing. I'm going to save my document someplace where it's very easy to find, so I think I will save it to the desktop. It's called Instructional Design Written Report Template. Okay, so I have that all downloaded. I want to go back to Newport, and this time I want to access my email. You will see once you are inside your inbox, you will see a symbol that kind of looks like a tic-tac-toe board. When you click on that, you get more options for your Gmail account. One of those options is Google Drive. Now I'm accessing Google Drive on my PC. You can also access your Google Drive on your smartphone or a tablet. But in order to do that, you are going to need to download that app on your phone. So go to the Play Store or go to the Apple Store and look for Google Drive. Now here, once I'm in my drive, and you can see I have a lot of things, so my drive is pretty populated. But if you are uploading something new, in the upper left-hand corner there is a tab that says New. You would click on that. You're not interested in uploading a folder, but you are interested in uploading a file. And the file I'm interested in uploading is located on my desktop. That's where I put it. And it's called Instructional Design Template. Or I'm sorry, Instructional Design Written Report. Here it is. So I highlight it, I click Open. And you can see in the lower right-hand corner it tells you that your upload was complete. So I could go ahead and click on that. And when I do so, now I'm in Google Drive. So it looks very similar to Microsoft Word. It has some of the same functions that you can do with the font and so on and so forth. But when you see in the upper right-hand corner, right now, when I hover over the word share, this is only private to me. So only I have this accessible on my drive. Only I can look at it. You can change those permissions by clicking on share, and you can invite people to share this with you. And the way you do that is by typing in their email addresses. So you will have to know the email address of the people that you are inviting. Over here, there's a drop-down menu that tells you just what permissions you want to give the people that you're sharing with. And the first box says that they can edit. And that's what I recommend if you are doing this as a group project. When they can edit, they can also comment. but the second one says they cannot edit, but they can only comment, or they can only view it. So depending on what your purpose of sharing is, you would select one of these options. So how do you get the email addresses from your classmates? Well, you could ask them, or you could go back to Newport, go back to Desire to Learn, and there's a tab up here that says Communication, and one of the options under that tabs is Class List and Email. And here you can find everyone who's in your class and their email address. You can copy and paste it back into your Google Drive to give that person or those persons permission. So I'm just going to go back to my Google Drive. Here it is, it was open already. Back to my document, and just for purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to type in my own email address. It's advisable that when you are using Google Drive under your Northeastern account, that you only invite people who have NEIU email addresses. It makes everything more shareable, if you will. And from that point on, as you witnessed during class yesterday, those people who have been invited to this document can edit. So a good thing about that would be that you can all, if you are collaborating on this project, you can all have some input here and you can critique each other's responses. Also, what was handed out to you yesterday was a plan, which is also called a training blueprint. So you can see a space for that has already been incorporated into this template. Even though you've been given a hard copy, you'll work on that kind of sketching out your ideas, but eventually you will type it into this document as well. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and I will see you soon.